Hi guys, welcome to Stack Reframe. This is the second tutorial video of our web development course, isn't it? We have seen in the previous videos that how a structure of website looks, isn't it? We have seen what HTML, CSS and JavaScript is and how they are helping to build a stylish, responsive, interactive and dynamic web pages, isn't it? So also guys, I have created a playlist where I will be sharing all the videos of this course. So I want you to access this playlist and bookmark it if you have not done it yet. Okay. So today we are going to discuss all about the core concepts of HTML. Okay. So there are three main concepts of HTML. First one is tag, second one is element, and the third one is attributes. So today we are going to discuss all about this tags, elements and attributes. Okay, all these are the core concepts of HTML. So first let us see what is tag. Okay, so in HTML tags are used to define element in a web page. That is the basic definition. Okay, they provide the structure and the content of the page, and also it allows the browser to interpret and display the content correctly. That is called tag. Okay, no, so if we will get to the definition, we'll see HTML tags are called the building block of a web page. Okay, now they are what they are used to. They are used to create the structure, content and formatting of the web pages. Okay, now if we divide the tag into two, there will be a single tag, or it is called a self-closing tag, and we have a paired tag also. Okay, we'll see what is a single tag and what is a paired tag. Now, what is a single tag? A tag which do not require a closing tag, that is called a single tag. Okay, which do not require a closing tag, that is called a single tag. While a paired tag, it requires a opening tag also and a closing tag also, that is called a paired tag. So before jumping into this single tag, we will first look into paired tag, and after that I'll give you the example of single tag also. Okay, so what is paired tag? Let us get into the VS Code. Now you see, paired tag has an opening tag also and a closing tag also, like HTML. You see, HTML opening tag is this and closing tag is here, isn't it? Now, head tag, you see, head tag has an opening tag, it has a closing tag. So this is called paired tag. Okay. Now you see body also. Body has an opening tag also and body has a closing tag also, isn't it? So this is what a paired tag means. Okay. Now, what is single-ended tag or self-enclosed tag? Okay. So self-enclosed tags do not require a closing tag, and that is why it is also called a void tag also. Okay. These tags are used to insert the content into the web page, like all, and does not require any end tag. That is what it means. Now we'll see what is end self closing tag here. Okay, some examples of self closing tag. Now I have written here welcome to my channel. If you see the output here, you see it is written welcome to my channel, isn't it? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to repeat this same sentence. I'll copy it and I'll paste it. Now see, two times it is written here, welcome to my channel. Okay, so now here, if I write here a self closing tag, that is called a example is br tag. You see what it is doing, it is changing the line, isn't it? Br stands for break, and it is just breaking the line and making this particular thing into the next line. Now you see, tell me, the br tag is it having any closing tag also? No. Why? Because br tag is a self-closing tag or a void tag. Okay. Similarly, we have other tag also, like image tag. It is img. It is called a self-closing tag. You see, is there anywhere the img tag is closed here? No. It is a single-ended tag. Okay. Similarly, we have many single-ended tags, like input tag, we have meta tags, we have hr tags. Okay, all these are called single-ended tag because it does not require any closing tag. Okay, so don't worry guys, much because I'm going to explain all the tags in detail. Okay, so just for the sake of understanding that what is pair tag, what is single-ended tag, I'm just explaining it. Okay, now let's move into the semantic tags. So what is semantic tag? What do you mean by semantic tags? So first of all, let me tell you that semantic tags was introduced in HTML version 5. Okay, before semantic tags was not there. Okay, so what is semantic tags? A tag with meaning is called semantic tag, simply. Okay, if you see the definition, semantic tags in HTML are elements that provides meaning to the content they enclose. Okay, so they are designed to describe the structure of a web page. Okay, and they are designed to describe the structure in more meaningful way, and also it making it easier for the search engines, okay, to understand the content of the web page. That is what semantic tags does. Now if we see some of the example of semantic tags in HTML, that are header. It is used for creating a header, isn't it? So is it giving a meaningful information, isn't it? Yes, if you want to create a header, we will go for semantic tag, that is header tag. Okay. Now there is one more tag that is called section. This is also a semantic tag. This is used for creating a section, isn't it, in the web page? Now we have nav tag. Nav tag defines a section of the web page that contains navigation links. Okay. Now we have many other tags like main tag, article tag, aside tag, and footer tag also. For creating footer, we have a special tag that is called semantic tag. We will use footer tag for creating a footer. Okay. So this is what a semantic tag means. This semantic tags, it provides a meaning to the content they are enclosed. Okay. Now, what is non-semantic tag? Similarly, a tag without a meaning is called non-semantic tag. Okay, so non-semantic tags in HTML are elements that do not provide any information about the content they enclose. Okay, simple, very simple. Now, some example of non-semantic tags in HTML that includes div. It is for division. It is called div tag. Span. Span is also a non-semantic tag. B, it is used for making the text bold. I for italic. U, all these are tags, isn't it? Font. All these are non-semantic tags. It do not give a meaningful information like the previous one we have saw here. Okay, you see, header is used for creating a header only. Footer used for creating a footer. So all these are semantic tags, and non-semantic tags are this. Okay. Note: while designing a page, make sure you use more semantic tags. Why? Why we are going to use more semantic tags? Because it is giving more, it is using, helping the browser, isn't it? Search engines. It is helping the search engines to give your web page easily, isn't it? So that is why we are going to use more semantic tags than non-semantic tags. Okay. Now, here we comes for the second core concept, that is called elements. So what is elements? So if you see, HTML consists of various elements, okay, that define the structure, content, and formatting of the web pages. Okay, now here are some of the most common HTML elements that we see. First one is a headings. Okay, no, what is headings? HTML has 6 level of heading. Okay, we have H1 headings till S6, we have headings. Okay, we'll see it. Okay, now we have paragraphs. It is called P tag also here, isn't it? For links, we have, for creating a link, we have anchor tag here, isn't it? For images, we have img tag here, isn't it? For list, we have ordered list, unordered list. Okay, we are going to see each and every elements, don't you worry. I'm going to give every element example. In every tag that I'm writing here, I'm going to give each and every example for that. Okay, so don't you worry. Now you must have confused here that I'm writing here the tag only and I'm calling it an element, isn't it? I'm talking about the element heading, but I'm writing here tag, isn't it? I'm talking about the element paragraph, but I'm writing a p tag here. So what is the difference between the tag and element? That is we are going to see. So see, HTML tags and elements are a related concept in HTML. Okay, it is a related concept, but they have some different meaning. Like HTML, they are used to define the beginning of the beginning and end of the HTML element, isn't it? HTML tags, they are used to define the beginning of the tags also and end of the tag also, isn't it? While HTML element, if you see, they are created by enclosing the content between an opening and closing tag. Now you see the example here. You see this particular thing. What is this? This is an opening tag, isn't it? And this is a closing tag. So all this we are call it as a tag, isn't it? Tags. Sorry. Now what is this? Hello world. Where this one is the content, isn't it? Now in total, you see it is called a HTML element. Okay, where we have a opening tag also, we have a closing tag also, and we have a content here also. So total it is called a HTML element. That is why we have seen here where we are talking about the elements and we are writing here the tags. Okay, you see. Now I think you are pretty clear about the difference between tags and elements. Okay. Now the last core concept of HTML is attributes. So what is attributes? We are going to see. Okay. So in HTML, attributes are used to provide additional information about an HTML element. Okay. It provides the additional information. Okay. They are used to modify the behavior or appearance of an HTML element or to provide additional information about the element's content. Okay. Now, in attribute, we have two types of attributes. We have element specific attribute, which are specific to the particular element, and we have a global attribute also. Okay. First, we'll discuss the theory part. Okay. Now you see, I'm going to give you a practical overview of it. Now, you see here, if you see the same example here, HTML is a tag, isn't it? But lang is a attribute. Okay, lang is a attribute. Now, similarly, let us take any examples. Okay, now you see I have used image tag here. So img is a tag, but src what it is? It is a attribute. What it is doing? It is providing us the extra information about tag, isn't it? You see, HTML is a tag, but it is providing extra information about the tag. That language, the HTML tag, the web page that I'm going to write is in English. It is giving extra information, isn't it? So that is what is all about attributes. Now, we have already discussed that we have a element specific attributes and we have a global attributes, isn't it? Now we will see what is element specific attribute. Element specific attribute means they are the attributes that are only valid for specific HTML element. Okay, not for everyone. It is valid only for specific HTML element. Now let us take an example of it. Okay. Now you see if I am writing here an anchor tag. Okay. Okay. You see here if I write here https www.google.com. I have given a reference here and I will write here, click here. Okay, so you see click here is there. Now what is tag and what is attribute here? This particular a is a tag, isn't it? It is an anchor tag, and this particular href is the attribute of anchor tag only. So href you cannot use it anywhere. Okay, so href will only be used when we are going to use a tag anchor, then only this attribute can be used. So that is what it is specific to this particular tag, isn't it? Href is specific to the anchor tag. So that is what we call it as a element specific attribute. Okay, now you see, if we click here, it is going to open a Google page, isn't it? We'll see all the tags in detail. Okay, so just for the sake of making you understand, I'm just writing examples. Okay, don't worry much about it. Now let us see an example of global attributes. Now for example, if I take a section here, okay, and let's say if I am writing something here, welcome to my channel. Okay, so what I have done, I have used a paragraph tag and I have written in between that, we have written welcome to my channel. Okay, now you see, if I write here class is equal to, let's say, channel, anything we can write here, class name we have given. Now what is this? This is the attribute of what? Section. Okay, now you can use, again, if you use section here, and if you use paragraph tag here, and I will write here different things. Subscribe to my channel. Okay, now you see it is coming subscribe now, but we can use again here, isn't it? We can use the same class here also, or we can use the class name here also, isn't it? Or we can use the class name here also. Okay, we'll change the name. We'll write here, let's say ABC. I'm writing here, I'm writing ASDF here, whatever. So this class attribute is used, can be used anywhere in the any tag, isn't it? So this is called a global attributes. So the definition will be, the global attributes in HTML are those attributes that can be used on any HTML element regardless of its type. Okay, so we have here section, we have P, we are using everywhere, isn't it? Same. So this is what called a global attributes. Okay, some of the other examples are class, we have written here, we have ID also, we have a style also, isn't it? Let's say, I'm giving a example here, more specific example. If I write here same thing, welcome to stack reframe. Okay, now you see, I'll write here style is equal to color, sorry, color, I'll write red. You see, it is coming in red, isn't it? So style is a global attribute, isn't it? If I again take, for example, anything, I will take, let's say, div here, and I will again take span here, or I will write here subscribe to my channel. So again, I can use this particular style attribute. I'll copy this and I can paste it here, isn't it? Again, this color will be red. So I am using this particular style attribute again and again, irrespective of any tag, isn't it? So this style tag is what? It is a global attribute. Okay, so I hope you are clear about the core concepts of HTML. Okay, so we have discussed today what are tags, what are elements, and what are attributes. Okay, so that's all for today's videos, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel also, and the next video will be uploaded very soon. Okay, so till then, bye guys.